Hello guys, Jai Shri Krishna. Today I'm going to show you how to install Java SC Development Kit or Java JDK for the Android Studio. Also, I will show you how to set the environment variable for the Java properly. So before installing, first we have to download the component, which is a JDK. For that, go to your browser and type Oracle. Hit enter. Now click on the first link. Inside this, go to the products and click on Java. Now download the Java here. Now here's the file which you have to download. Click here. Now scroll down. You need to download this file only. Okay. So click here. Accept the agreement. Download the file. As I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. So go to the downloaded file. Here is the file. Now right click on it and run as an administrator. Now click on yes. Now minimize it. Close this. Now click on next. Again next. Now wait for some minute. It may take some time. In the previous version of Java, you have to download two files, which is JDK and another one is JRE. But in this version of Java 4.0.1, you don't need the JRE file because the file is already included in it. Now the Java is installed. Now click on close. Now let's check the Java is successfully installed or not. For that, click on start. Now go to the command prompt and here type JAVAC. Now hit enter. Now let's see. Now it is showing that Java is not recognized. It means that Java is installed but system is not recognizing it. For that we have to set the environment variable. Now how to set the environment variable? First we have to copy the path of the JDK. For that click on this PC. I have installed the Java in the local disk C. So go here. Now click on program files. Now here is the Java. Go here. Inside the JDK, go to the bin folder. Inside the bin folder, here is the path. You have to copy this. Control C, copy. Now minimize this. Now to set the environment variable, right click on this, click on properties. Now go to the advanced system settings. Now here is the environment variables. Click here. Now what you have to do? You need to paste the file inside this path. You don't need to paste the file inside this. It is a very wrong method. You have to paste the file inside this path. For this, click on edit. Now click on new. Now paste the path here. Control V. Here's the path. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now close the window. Now let's check if the Java is installed or not. For this, go to the command prompt and type JAVAC. Hit enter. Now you can see Java is successfully installed. Now let's check which version is installed. For this, type JAVAC VERSIO and hit enter. Now you can see 4.0.1 is installed. So the tutorial end here. In the next tutorial I will show you how to install Android Studio properly. So thank you for watching.